What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I've got my Starbucks right here, and perks of having a girlfriend that works at Starbucks, you get coffee every day for free, so that's pretty awesome. All right, guys, so we are picking up more forged carbon fiber for the M4. So you already know, we're gonna head over to Colorado N5X, go pick up the carbon fiber, see what they got going on over there. And yeah, we're gonna throw it on the car. So, you know, I'm super excited. So let's go over there. All right, cold start in the M4. I'm so sorry to all my neighbors. I'm sorry, I know it's loud, but it sounds so good too. So you gotta appreciate how good it sounds. All right, let me tell you guys a little bit about Colorado N5X since we're heading over there. So it is owned by my friend Brian. Now, every time I go to his shop, it's like going to a candy store because he's got so much carbon fiber, so many performance goods, just everything to make your BMW better. So I love going to his shop and stopping by and saying hi to everybody over there. He does have a YouTube channel and he just passed 10,000 subscribers. So you guys should definitely go check out his channel because, yeah, he posts some really good content. So yeah, we're gonna head over there, and also go check the link down below. Go check out Brian's website because he has everything that he sells in store also on his website. And yeah, come on, go make your BMWs faster and buy some parts. All right, this might actually be a good day. We are going the speed limit and we're not stopped in traffic. So guys, it has been horrible in Denver. The traffic just out of control. So I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. Hopefully we can get there without it taking almost an hour. You guys, we just got to Colorado N5X, so we're gonna go inside and see what's going on. And yeah, so we're picking up a forged carbon fiber spoiler. That's the surprise because, as you guys know, this carbon is not matching the rest of the forge, so we gotta change that. So that's what we're picking up today. All right, guys, so we just got in their shop and they have this M2 competition. First of all, it's a manual, so that's awesome. But they just installed the equal length mid pipes on it. So yeah, that's like the fancy mid pipe that they put on it, and it's gonna make this thing sound really good. So yeah, that's sweet. They always got something good going on in the shop. All right, guys, so we got the spoiler right here. Obviously, it's all packaged up, but we'll unpackage it when we get home. And we got Boba, Brian and Kenzie's dog, chewing on something. Now we got Kenzie over there. What's up? All right, so they're gonna set it up. So it's stock down pipes, only mid pipes. So if you guys don't know, those equal length mid pipes are supposed to get rid of the raspy sound and make it an equal travel for the exhaust when it exits. So yeah, it's definitely a very unique sound. All right, guys, so Mike, one of the guys in the shop, he just bought this wagon. It's his daily driver. It's got the M4 bumper on it. This thing looks really clean. Got some Apex wheels. This would be a really nice daily driver. I dig it. Guys, everybody's been revving their cars. We had the M2 revving, we had my M4 running, revving. Now we got Kenzie revving her X3M. This is what happens when you surround a bunch of cool cars together. Just got home, so we have to take the old spoiler off to put on the new one. So with the magic of editing, we'll get it done in 1 second. Boom, it is all off. No more spoiler. Looks so weird without it. The car looks almost naked without the spoiler on it, but sweet. So we are going to grab the new one, unpackage it, and take a look at it. Wow, take a look at this, guys. This is beautiful. It's gonna look so well with the rest of the forged. Here, let's set it down, see what it looks like. Oh yeah. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to have everything matching and looking good. So we're gonna start installing this now. So I have the spoiler fully taped up. Now we're just gonna go ahead and start lining it up. And I'll show you guys my trick that I used for that part. So I have the spoiler all lined up right now. So I'm gonna flip it up like this, peel off all the adhesive, heat it up with this hair dryer that I brought. And yeah, we're just gonna start pressing it on the car and it should be done from there. Okay, so I got the spoiler fully connected. As you can tell, the wrapper is down there. Now what I do is I heat it up once it's fully glued on there, and then I tape it down so that it just holds the position that I want it in. Then after like an hour of it sitting like this, then I'll peel the masking tape off and it should sit really flush. But yeah, first impressions, I don't know if camera picks it up, but just the forged, it looks so amazing. Once I pull it into the sunlight, I'll do like a cinematic edit for you guys with all the forged all around the car, and yeah, we'll appreciate it. Guys, so just finished installing the spoiler. We have some buddies that came to stop by. That's Chris, by the way. I featured his M4 in a couple videos in the past. It's that mineral gray one, super sick. He just bought my old spoiler that I just took off. So yeah, that's super exciting, but I'm really happy with it. It looks really good. Having all the forged carbon fiber wrapped around the entire car just really completes the look, and yeah, super stoked on it. And the fitment came out really well, so I'll show you guys some close-ups. So here's the fitment of it, guys. Now this is the PSM spoiler. And remember, you gotta go check out Colorado N5X in the link down below to get a spoiler like this and other products similar to it. So yeah, so I hope you guys are excited about the complete look. Now there are a few things left to do. We have to do the forged side skirts, and then some forged carbon in the interior. And that's basically it for the whole forged look that I'm going for. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.